Hello everyone, MMLTech here with another quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to increase the audio quality of your clips when you are post-processing, creating your reels or editing your videos. For this, I have prepared a sample that I recorded a couple days ago, and it sounds like this. Hello everyone, MMLTech here with a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how. As you can hear, the sound is very noisy, and we are going to remove that within the next couple minutes. I'm using DaVinci Resolve version 20, and let's jump into showing you the three quick steps in improving the quality of your clips. First of all, you want to make sure you are in the cut tab in DaVinci Resolve, and you have the mixer selected. Now, then you're gonna be going to Equalizer right here. Just click on it. And of course, we can play with the presets. We have about 6 presets. And let's just go through the video and um, check out how it sounds with these presets. Hello everyone, MMLTech here with a quick tutorial. As you can see, the audio quality is already improving using just this preset. But let's check all the presets, then I will show you what to adjust in order to obtain the best audio output depending on your microphone and of course the environment. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the chroma key or luma key, whatever you want to call it. I will show you how to remove any kind of background using the free DaVinci Resolve software. And for that, I prepared a video with a green screen. Let's just drag the video in. Okay. From all these samples, I think the dialog mail must be the best preset that we can start working on with. So let's restart the clip and play again. Hello everyone, MMLTech here with a quick tutorial. The sound is already okay here, but what I want to do is take the band 1 and drag it all the way to the left. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the chroma key or luma. Now, to make the sound a bit clear, we can just drag the band 3 somewhere around these 2 parameters. And let's hear which one sounds a bit crisper. So let's play. Whatever you want to call it. I will show you how to remove any kind of background using the free DaVinci Resolve software. Okay, I think here would be the best value for band 3. And now, to make the sound a bit louder, we have to drag the band 4 somewhere between these 2 parameters. So let's play. And for that, I prepared a video with a green screen. Let's just drag the video in. Perfect. Now, depending on the microphone and the volume settings you had in your recording, you can also adjust the output from this gain. So let's start from 0 here. Play the video. DaVinci Resolve. And now this is very simple. All you have to do is go to Effects. So that's perfect. Now we can just close this dialog, click here. And if we listen back from the start, you will notice
Hello
that
everyone, MMLTech here with
that S sound, that very loud S sound. And for that, I'm just going to move on to the Edit tab. Make sure the effects window is opened. Then under Audio FX, if it goes to search, let's search for De-Esser. And we have to use this filter. So here's a catch. You can take the filter and move it on the entire um, audio bar, or you can just apply it on a single audio. But now I will just uh, put it on the entire soundbar. And of course, here we can adjust the values. So let's play.
a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the chroma key or luma key, whatever you want to call it. I will show you how to remove any kind of background using the free DaVinci Resolve.
Now, as you can hear, that loud S is suppressed from the audio. Of course, now we can just close it. And there's one more step that we can use here to make our audio sound just how we want it to upload it on YouTube or TikTok. And for that, we are going back to the Cut tab. And here under the mixer, we have the FX. Sorry. And again, here we have some presets. Now let's go back to the clip. And play it.
Hello everyone, MMLTech here with a quick tutorial. Today,
As you can see, it's very loud and there are some background noises. And for that, I will just select the dialog compression. And now let's play again.
I'm going to be teaching you how to use the chroma key or luma key, whatever you want to call it. I will show you how to remove any kind of.
And of course, we can play with the values here, increase the ratio, um, lower the threshold. And let's see how it sounds now.
Background using the free DaVinci Resolve software. And for that, I prepared a video with a green screen.
Now, our audio it's already in a better shape than it was uh, when we started the clip. Now we can just export the video and we are done. This is how you can change the audio quality using just pre-filters in DaVinci Resolve in any kind of clip. The whole idea here is to adjust the values based on your environment and your microphone sound quality, output quality. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you want more quick tutorials like this one, subscribe to my channel, leave a like below, and see you on the next clip. Thank you for watching.